If you're wondering how to make the best corn on the cob, I've got you covered. This is sweet, juicy, and you're gonna wanna make it all summer long. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making corn on the cob. I know it sounds so basic, but I have clinched the way to make it extra sweet, juicy, and so perfect you're gonna wanna make it all the time. We're gonna step over to the stove and I'm gonna show you how to do it. To start your corn on the cob, we're going to bring 6 cups of water to a boil. Once your water is boiling, we're going to add the milk, sugar or honey, either will work here, the butter, and kosher salt. Once your sugar and your salt has dissolved, we're going to add the corn to the pot. Cook the corn for 5 to 7 minutes. So this corn, while it's boiling in all of those ingredients, is going to absorb all of the flavor. So the sweetness from the sugar and the richness from the milk and the butter, that's all going to impart to the flavor of your corn on the cob. So corn's going to naturally suck up any flavor that's it's boiling in. So if you're boiling in water with sugar or water with salt, it's going to taste salty or sweet. This is a great way to amp up the flavor of some off-season corn. Now that our corn is done and I can smell it, it smells so sweet and amazing. I'm just gonna take some butter and add more butter to the outside. You can season it with salt as well. I love the salty sweet on my corn on the cob. And let that all melt in. You can never have enough butter. I like a butter bath for my corn. And just put that down, and then I'm gonna take a bite. It's super sweet and really juicy. So amazing for corn on the cob. Sometimes it's bland. This is definitely the opposite of bland. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again. I'm sorry, I have corn in my teeth. I have to get it out.